Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so they push it up to all-time highs. Current high, all-time high at the moment is 43.65.25. We played around with a 9-day, couple of spikes below. It held. It didn't even get down into the daily mid-band back Thursday, Friday. Hourly chart. New weekly pivots coming in 43.35.08. Friday was a pretty straightforward day. Friday was a day where we had been long from the lows, and we held that, and we got long the open. And, once you got to 9:45, into 10 o'clock, where's my 9 o'clock hour? It just bled to the upside all day. It was a one trade day. And you don't get those gifts very often when it's Friday. And, more importantly, when you're on vacation and you just want to get into something and let it work. So Friday was a good day. We took everything off before the close, so we're heading into this week flat. I'm very interested to see what happens here with the hourly mid-band. It's trying to be resistance again, but that's not unusual. We've had other moments where it's tried to do that. The bears, if they're going to be successful, have to convert 43.35 and try to get back into this, 43.15, 4,300 area. The bulls want to hold weekly pivot. They don't mind a test early in the week. Then they want to get back up over the hourly mid-band, come back up and test the highs up around 43.65, see if they can get over the top. 4,400 is very capable of printing this week. Okay, here's a 5-minute chart, 43.55, hourly mid-band, volume weighted average price about 52.5. Madonna, 50 and change, 5-minute mid, 48 and change. You can see a couple of lows here in the 43 area. So 43 to 53 is going to be important. Whoever's successful today is going to convert that and try to take it down into the next, call it 10 to 20 handles on the other side. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.